Hey guys, my name is Brady Anderson over here at Rich Sons RV headquarters in Grand Island, Nebraska. So today we got this 2025 Montana High Country 325 RK. Let me show you some of the few things that really stand out to me on this unit. So if you step right over here, right on this side, you got this nice, beautiful outdoor entertainment system with the outdoor griddle and the 12-volt fridge. You know, keep your beverages in there, you know, hot dogs, hamburgers, whatever you're feeling. So follow me over here. So honestly, you know, you get a lot of storage on a lot of units anyway, but I mean, look at how big this pass-through storage is. It is just crazy. All right, so now that we're inside, you know, you got the beautiful rear kitchens with all the residential size cookware. So you got your nice big microwave, your huge fridge and freezer, and your full size oven. And what's really cool, so this thing has a lot of hidden storage. You got some hidden storage right up here. This all opens up, and then you've got some as well right over here. This is your big pantry, you know, put your vacuum in there, broom, whatever you got to do. All right, so now we're in the living portion of it. So, you know, I showed you that hidden storage right here. But right across from that, you got your two recliners there with a electric charger right on top. And then if you do have some guests come over, the grandkids or anything, this does pull out into a bed. Speaking of beds, follow me up here. So this Montana has a nice big king size bed. All right, guys, since earlier I mentioned it is the 2025, you know, we got to clear them out and make some room for the 2026 as we're coming in. So on this Montana here, you know, it was originally 76,000 and we dropped it all the way down to 69.9. So if you're looking for a beautiful camper for 70 grand and under, give me, Brady Anderson, a call over here at Rich Sons in Grand Island, Nebraska.